Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to buy Neymar on FIFA Mobile. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to tap on the market. And after that, you will just have to click on the search option. Okay, this one. And then you will just have to enter the player name, which is Neymar. And then tap on search and wait for a few seconds, and there you go, you can now see the Neymar player. So you just have to choose your player and then tap on their profile in order to see the summary of this player. So you can see the attributes and the traits of this player. So it's up to you to decide if what kind of player do you want to buy according to your budget. So just tap on the purchase option, and after tapping on the purchase, you will be able to get that player. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.